going to Halim.
Oh, first to Jakarta.
And we go to Jakarta first, and let's hope we can reach the flight because there is a problem in Jakarta and a lot of flights are delayed. Yeah, we pray. See you later.
dapat terkait dengan itu ya. Yeah.
Wah,
What
enak
is
banget.
enak banget.
So this is gourmet,
Gourmet.
that style gourmet.
Tormeten.
What style gourmet?
Oh, very delicious the sauce. I wonder with vegetables.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Korean barbecue but eating with fork and knife.
Isn't it Korean barbecue?
Yeah, just the sauce.
Sauce. Siya mo na.